So the company just sent this out to me. This is their blood glucose test kit for pets. This is for cats or dogs. It's a user-friendly test kit that you can use at home to get accurate blood sugar results for your diabetic cat or dog. This is something that's really near and dear to my heart because I've had an insulin-dependent cat and I've had an insulin-dependent dog that were diabetic. I want to preface this with saying no one can diagnose your pet as diabetic except your veterinarian, so it's really important to do accurate veterinary care. But this is a great system that lets you work better with your veterinary team to provide a great life for your diabetic pet. So the kit itself is really nice. It comes all in one package. You get everything you need to get those blood sugar readings. You actually get the kit itself. You get an instruction manual that's easy to follow. You have your registration card. And then you have this quick, easy to use reference chart on how to use the product. That is really nice. And it even on the back has some storage and handling tips that let you keep this kit fresh and ready to go for accurate results anytime. You get your travel bag, which is actually a great way to keep your kit all in one place. It's a neoprene bag with a really nice zipper on it. And inside you have your monitoring system and your Lancet pen. You actually get 100 blood glucose test strips, and you get 4 packages to be 100 of the little lancets. So these little lancets are the needle part that actually pricks the skin to get that blood flow started so that you can soak it onto the test strip. So I want to show you a little bit about how this works. So you have your little monitoring system right here. It runs off of a CR2032 battery, which is like a watch battery, which makes it really nice and travel friendly because it is battery operated. You have your LCD screen that gives you those readings right there. You actually just take your Lancet pen, place your Lancet, the blue Lancet, inside there, quick twist it shut, and now you actually set the dial, and it's recommended that you actually set that dial at a 3 level. You just twist and turn to set your dial. That 3 level really gets you the right depth to actually get some blood started, make it easier on your pet. It's quick and easy to do. Put it in place, push the button on their paw, so on one of their little paws, and then soak the strip in the blood, place it in the monitoring system, and in 5 seconds you have those accurate blood sugar results. This actually tracks 300 of those, which makes it really nice when you're working with your veterinarian team to give those results and keep accurate results for the best care for your pet. I love that it has the travel bag. I will tell you, like it says here on the back, it does tell you some storage procedures. They want you to keep the kit where it is dry and in a controlled temperature. You don't want it in direct sunlight. It's a great travel kit that you can use at home to give your diabetic pet its best life. And I highly recommend it. This would have been invaluable to us had we not had a great veterinary care team. This would have been an invaluable tool when we had those 2 diabetic pets. So if you're looking for something like this is a great kit. Yes, it does draw blood. I do want to show you that. So that little Lancet there is actually a little pin needle type setup where you can push it on their paw to start the flow of blood. It does take a very minute amount of blood to actually soak that strip to get that reading. But that's important to note. People have wondered about that, and you do actually have to prick their paw a little bit. If it's a larger dog, you can use a piece of their ear to get that blood sample. But this is recommended for your cats and dogs. It is only for cats and dogs. It's pre-calibrated at the factory so that you don't have any setup. It's easy. Just grab it out of the kit, ready to go anytime, anywhere.